Hi guys, we're gonna start very soon playing a little bit of Fortnite and continuing to work on the game I'm working on currently in the Unity. I'm glad you're going to join us. So, we do have two different songs right now, just a minute. Voila. Okay, hello guys, let's start now. So, we're gonna have a little bit of music in the background. It's gonna be pretty calm music, just so we don't get too mad. So the idea is that I'm gonna play a little bit of Fortnite and try to get these SMG eliminations current daily challenges, and at the same time I'm going to work a little bit on the game that I've been working on for now a couple of years with Haze Games, a small indie company, and so I'm basically going to switch between Fortnite and my work for a couple of minutes this morning that we're together. So I hope you'll enjoy this, and I hope you also have a great day today. So while the game is loading, I'm going to continue that a little bit actually. Up, So what I was building here was some kind of big box that will be reacting to physics and it will be moving up and down. But I need to create some separators here, some blocks, some rails that will make sure it doesn't move too far front and back, which is something that's always tedious to create, and to ensure there won't be any issues. So I'm gonna check that. A little bit of Fortnite right now. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What do we have here? Yeah, that sounds like a good place to go. Let's try it. Okay. Oof. Have a big lag right there, but it should be fine soon. Okay, so that's great. Whoa, there's somebody just here. Okay, let's take him out. Ah, didn't even touch him. That's very, very bad, dude. Oh, he has a good weapon, like a sniper or some shit like that. Okay, dude, here. Ah, I touched him, but that wasn't good enough. I'm gonna change something. The audio is going into the wrong output. What is that? Okay, so for some reason it's output, but that's gonna be okay. Okay. So I just died quite quickly here. Never mind. Okay, that sounds good. So I'm just editing a few information on the streams, so bear with me a second. Voila. That is done. Good, good. So yeah, this object is going to move up and down. And since I want it to move up and down, but not left and right, I'm gonna want to set up some rails on it. And that's why I have these objects. They will act as rails to make sure they don't, it doesn't move too much in the directions that I would want to keep it stable in. So let's have a look. We do have the background here. That is actually too small. Let's make this bigger. Yeah, let's make this a little bit bigger here. And we want the orange line to be visible. That's simply to make sure that it's clear to the player that it's a line that's going up vertically and that it's not like some other object in the world. That looks nice. Okay, looks good enough for me. Now we're simply gonna have a couple of those rail sets. Okay, so Fortnite has continued. Let's have a look here. Okay, good. Where should I drop? I actually don't like fatal fields, so I'm gonna go to this thing there, which is, I don't know what. It's not the sunny steps, it's like some weird thing where there is some sun and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. There's a weapon here. Actually, that's a good start, I would say. Good, good. Where is this guy? Okay. There's a chest just around the corner here, so let's get inside very quickly. Ah, it's a sniper. That's not really great. It's just above me. Just got freaking chest. Okay, let's just. Yes, got him. I was a bit frightened. Oh, got dying. No. Well, that was a good start. Too bad. Too bad. Huh. Okay, so let's resume this. That's a wee bit. Where were we? So yeah, this rail. What we're gonna want here is this rail to go more vertically up because we want it to be able to move to the ceiling or to the ground. So it does need to be able to go far away. Okay. Sounds good, sounds good. Like, I'm just making sure the streams are alright again. Sorry about this. It just takes a few seconds. Yep, it all seems alright. So yeah, I'm going to make sure that this rail here has goes a bit further up because that's what we want. We'll just make a quick test actually first, because usually you try something and you discover problems. Well, that doesn't look awesome, but you know, it's I think it should be fine. Actually, it could be better. Let's have a look at what's the problem with this one. Problem is that it's way too way too big in terms of height. It should be like, yeah, 2.4, I think. I think I should do 2.4, so that's what I'm going to change here. So let's create a little prefab of this. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to create a prefab of this object so that I can then put it wherever I want. It's gonna be the physics rails. So these guys here, yep, that's it. I'm going to have to make it much smaller. I'm just going to hide a specific object here, like this one, so I can work properly on this. And I need to switch to Fortnite right now. Okay, Mega Mall it is then. Mega Mall it is. Whoa, did you see what just happened here? My glider did not activate itself automatically, which meant I really went down extremely fast. That's very interesting. I've had that bug previously, but I've never managed to figure out like what is creating this, and I think I just figured it out right now, but I'm not sure. I think it's definitely linked to the fact that if you try to go down and try to aim for the wind blowing thingy, you know, the transport wind, then it seems like it's actually making you not deploy your glider automatically, which is pretty cool, pretty useful, but I think it's an exploit more than anything, but it's kind of unbalanced to be able to do that. Infantry rifle, you know what? I think I've never had that thing before, so I actually don't know how it works. Wow, seems really nice, dude. Seems like a nice weapon. Let's try not to die stupidly then. Since we do have a nice weapon, let's take advantage of it. Okay, I hear a chest now. Must be a way to reach it. That will be useful. So, where are you guys? I can hear you guys. What the hell are you doing? That's a body. Okay, where's that chest, man? Where the hell is that chest, man? I can hear you. Must be somewhere here. It's still not. That's weird, dude. I'm getting mad with that chest. I really want it now. Okay, find it. Chest! Wow, chest! Okay. Okay, I'm getting mad right now. I can't find that chest, dude. It's ridiculous. What the hell? What the hell? Ah, here you are. Damn. Damn. Pretty frightening stuff, dude. This is even more damage, but it's actually much lower damage per second, so yeah, I would say that this is good. Let's try this out. Let's try this out. Okay, that's interesting. We got somebody around here. Let's try and get him. Okay, so let's get him. Come on, I'm waiting for you guys. Get out of here. Nice. That's a pretty good weapon. It's nicely accurate, does quite a lot of damage. I like it. Let's try not to get caught. What's it called actually? Infantry rifle? Yeah, that's pretty nice, dude. Okay, let's run around there. Let's see what we have in there. What do we have here? That's interesting. The big assault rifle, I do like this. Do like this quite a lot. I need some kind of shotgun, dude. So, you know what? I think I'm gonna take a little sniper around here. With only one bullet. That's not extremely useful. Ah, 50 bullets. That's better. I think I'm gonna use them. Okay. This is a good assault rifle. Let's see how this goes. This has only have one frag. Yeah, that's maybe because I did successfully shot the other guy, but then the other guy killed him. He did steal my kill. Okay. There's like nobody around here or what? I should go. Oh, damn it. Okay, there's a first one here. Let's be careful about that. Oh shit, I couldn't see him. Damn it. Too bad, too bad, too bad, dude. Not good, not good. Okay. So let's resume this. What I wanted to do was to make it smaller somehow, so uh, yeah, I think this is going to happen this way. Okay. Let's put this at 2.4. 2.4 seems like a good compromise, I would say. So if we remove the lighting here, we will set this to be around this size and make sure that the rail is at the correct position. And now, yep, this sounds good. So you basically put two of them and you make sure that these two things do match each other. So let's do this way, up, as you can see here. Voila. This looks good, this looks good. Okay. Just need to make sure it is like getting inside this. Voila. I do like this quite a lot. It will help, it will help. So. Yeah. So the good thing is that this is going to work nicely very soon. Let's see how this goes. If we do have this as an object here, and then we would want all this to then be, yeah, we don't want a combining object here. We will want it a bit later on. Let's apply this stuff. Let's apply all this actually into a static object. Yep. Okay. And since this is going to be a static object, we're gonna want this rail. Let's put this into, where are the props here? I did put like stuff inside. I will call this rails. Rail 1, and we will put the first rail around here. That sounds good. Rail 1. And this will have a combination of objects. Now let's switch to Fortnite and let's drop. Okay, where should we go? Shifty shafts. Let's do little shifty shafts. Shifty shafts. I'm a bit crazy sometimes. Please forgive me. Oh damn, there's a lot of people here. It's gonna be fatal for me. Shotgun, shotgun. Let me get that shotgun, dude. God damn it. Okay, at least I got one of them. That's good, that's good. Where the hell is that dude? Oh, too bad, too bad. At least I did get one. Better than nothing, you know? Okay, so with this rail, let's have a look now. Where were we? We are indeed trying to get this around on this, yeah. So we'll try with multiple instances now of this little rail object. Let's see how this goes. There might be small overlapping problems as you create this, which is like a very normal thing to have to deal with. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, as you can see here, this is not really great. So it does mean that basically either below or above it's getting to there's a little problem here. Let's make sure that this does, yeah, that is the issue. This must be a little bit more, a little bit longer, just a little bit, just to ensure this goes through. And this should fix our issue if I override the prefab right now. Let's see, how did this go? Yep, looks like the transition is okay. Well, it's visible, but it isn't that much of a problem, you know. It's we'll see about these small issues later on as we get there. Okay, now what's going on here? Okay, let's go into Dusty Divot. There's a bug with that cursor. You see I'm clicking there and it's putting a marker like in stupid areas, right? It's maybe because it's like left click. Okay, that's why. I was using middle click, which is putting it from the game view to video view. We have somebody here that's gonna be quite dangerous. Let's get the hell out. Oh god damn it, there's a chest there. Oh, somebody's on the chest. Shit. Oh, one weapon. That's good enough for me. Ah, injured you, but didn't finish you. Too bad, dude, too bad. Never mind. Okay, so this rail now can be replicated a couple of times, and the transition is okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. That's nice, that's nice. Okay. So what we'll want at this stage is to recreate another one, yeah. And here the problem is that this one is going to be way too big. That's the problem about modular stuff, it's very hard to get the correct sizes and everything as you want it. So what we're going to do here is simple. We're going to create a new version that's going to be twice as small. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is to do, let's do a little variant here. Let's select this current prefab, and we're basically just going to like create a new prefab variant, and on that variant, let me check. Yep, this is the rail, smaller rail, and that's physics rail small, and the small version. How is the small version? The small version is simply we do not have this additional part, and these two parts here will be made much smaller. So instead of deleting objects, because it's not great, you can't delete objects from variants. A variance only allows you to edit some of the components, and so you need to disable objects or change the sizes and stuff like that, right? You can't just delete stuff from them. So if you want in your variant something to be invisible, then you simply have to disable it, but not delete it. It's just not a good idea. It's just not how it works. So here we should have this little guy that will be okay. Yeah, sounds good, sounds good. And he will be happy enough like this. I could have colliders, but actually I think I will put a collider on each of those in case they're never combined, because the idea is that when they are combined together, sorry, collider is generated, but if you do not combine them, then there's no collider. So that's where we're gonna want to add at least a collider on each of those. At least let's add a little box collider here, and at least these guys will have box colliders just in case, you know. That's the best way to go. Okay, sounds good. And since I've added it to the prefab, then my variant of the smaller version should also have all these little colliders as well. Yep, they do, which is awesome. Perfect. Now let's return to the little Fortnite here, because it's waiting for me. I'm gonna go there, which is like the Neo tilted, right? Okay. Let's do this. So my daily challenge, what was it? It was SMG. SMG kills. I don't know if I accomplished it already. I forgot. Damn it, there's so many people everywhere, dude. That's gonna be so complicated. Damn! I am frightened right now. Okay, let's find a weapon, dude. Let's find a weapon, dude. Okay, that's not really what I want, but it's some kind of a weapon. Please. Yes. Okay. So, I would say that's a good start. Don't you agree? A pistol. Crappy pistol, but at least some slurp juice. Dude, are you in there? Okay, let's replace this. Okay. All I have is a pistol, so that's not great, but... Somebody in there? Okay. A little shotgun, that's really cool, dude. Do you like that? I do like that. Ah, cool. Real weapons, that's really nice. Okay, so let's take this now. Whoa! Oh god damn it! Ah, that was not really well made. Too bad. I had good weapons. I could have done something good. I don't know how I managed to like fail this, but I did. Okay. I just had a new bug report, so I'm checking stuff. Hmm. I'm just checking a new bug that was reported. Just a second. So bug. Interesting. What's this? Adamuskin. His name is. So yeah, this little rail that we have here is going to be able to slide, make object slides inside it. So this big block here will be able to slide in there. That's going to be pretty useful for the little feature that I'm working on that you'll soon see, I hope. Okay, so let's return to Fortnite right now because the game is waiting for me. Okay, fatal fields no. Wait, I'm gonna try and reproduce that bug I had. Where's the wind? Dude, where's the wind? Here's the wind. God damn, that's actually really, really good and very, very useful. I mean, I'm not sure if that's intended as a feature that's supposed to be allowed, but it's amazing. Like, for me, it's kind of an exploit. You just aim for the wind, and you're basically going to land much faster than anyone else because anyone else will have to deploy their glider much earlier than you, and they are basically going to wait and wait and wait on the glider, and you're going to touch down much faster. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to happen, so if you guys know that this is normal, then I'd be interested in knowing the answer. But I'm not sure it is. Because it seems like a bit like balance breaking, to my opinion. And we're going to do this every time now. And I'm going to see if it does actually help and allow me to get to the ground faster. Because you do fly again away, and then, you know, the thingy is the glider is then forced to be deployed. So it's like, oh shit, talking too much, not concentrating enough. So yeah, since your glider is forced to be deployed, it's not that terrible, but it does make a little difference. But I don't think it's really game breaking or anything. Okay, so this rail here, what is happening with it? So I'm not sure why, but my music is constantly stopping. I'm sorry about that. I would prefer it not to. Why are you doing that, dude? Like, hmm. Okay. Sounds interesting. So this little rail here, what do we want to do with it? What will we want to do with you? We will want you to be duplicated here, to be combined as well, so that's the interesting part. Do we want this to be a box glider? No, because actually what we'll want is a perfectly nice and good collider, so we might need a rigid body added to it. That's definitely one option. We'll have to check this out. And this is going to be a kinematic rigid body, so that's an interesting part of it. I will show you this very soon. Let's make sure it works first. So the idea is that this should be like coming from the wall and just sticking out just a little bit. You see, like this one and this side, and this is perfect. Okay, now this is the rail 2 and Fortnite is waiting for me, so let's switch to Fortnite right now. Okay, good. So, so about 10 seconds after moving using a shaft. Okay, something like that. Where is the wind? Let's get the wind, dude. Okay, ah! You see, this is much earlier than the wind, dude. So, I'm pretty sure that if I had done that correctly, then okay, let's touch the wind. See if it does anything. Let's touch the wind, dude. Come on, touch the wind, and then over here. Voila. See, it does give you much more speed, which makes you touch the ground much faster, which ends up saving you a couple of seconds. So yeah, that's an interesting trick. Maybe you guys all absolutely know it, like for 3 years. But I definitely did not know about that. Okay, good. Oh, god damn it. That's pretty frightening. Okay. Where the hell did this guy go? Okay. Leave it to that. Little bit of ammo, and I need a different weapon. I mean, just a pistol like that is definitely it's definitely not gonna do it. Make it with that kind of weapon. Okay. Let's see what we have in there. Nothing. Okay, nothing at all. Let's close that door. Let's go upstairs. What do we have here? Nothing? Seriously? I'm being serious, man. That's serious. Alright, boys. Nope. Still nothing in there. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be freaking empty right now. There's some ammo here, so you see, people can forget stuff. Somebody did go here, but didn't take the ammo. Ah! Everything's been looted already. I'm kind of like a poor guy. Like a hobo, like a hobo. Oh, that was a very nice shot from him. Good job, dude. Good job. Okay, so where were we? Okay. Sounds good. These rails are nice. What I wanted to add here, well, first we're going to position the rails correctly. So it's okay from this side, it's okay from this side. Let's unhide this object that's currently hidden. Let's see, this looks cool. Okay, sounds good. Now, if this was supposed to be yeah, I think that what we need here is to say that it's a rigid body, it's a physics crate with some box glider. Okay, that's good, that's good. That will be like a new prefab actually, so let's do this as a new prefab. Original prefab, I would say, yeah, that's better. Just a bug update, replying to some bug report. Bug that only happens when you enable God mode once, then disable it. God mode is never enabled. Always failure to be tested. It and fix it for future update. Of course, the bug is going to be fixed. What do you think? Do you think I don't fix my bugs? You can ask Prometheus in the Discord channel. He's the guy that's posting a lot of bugs, and most of the time they get fixed. Yeah. That's a rail that's going to be combined, so that's one thing. I think that what we're gonna do right now is that we're gonna try and combine this. We'll see how it goes, but I'm pretty sure that as a kinematic rigid body, this should be okay. Let me think. They will have collided, so maybe it should be fine. I don't think they should be kinematic rigid bodies. We will see. Normally it's fine just for them to be normal static gliders. So now it's processing materials, so it's loading. That's why I can't move the camera or anything. Where's the wind? Where's the wind, guys? Guys, where's the wind? I'm gonna show you what I mean again. Ah! Can't find the wind! No! So if you can't find the wind, you can't just have this little exploit, I would say. Okay, damn. Damn, I need a weapon, dude. Yes, one weapon. It's good enough for me. Ah, not good enough. always replying to bugs. It does take a lot of time, you know. So let's see. All so good. Let's combine this one as well. Okay, so this is now also a combined rail with a mesh collider, so it should be fine, yeah. Looks nice. So right now, using the gravity and stuff, it should fall on the ground. So what we're gonna do is that we might be trying testing this. We'll see. We'll test it in a minute. We just need to do a little bit of Fortnite right now. Okay, so where are we? Shifty shafts. Yeah, let's try this. Ah, there was a wind here. I could have done that. Maybe that's why the actual wind doesn't go inside great big zones. Just to make sure you can't go into a big zone using this wind. Wow, that's hand cannon. That's pretty rare for me to have like an efficient weapon at start. Okay, come here, dude. Come here, dude. I just hit you. Make an effort and come back. Dude. Dude, come here. Okay. God damn it. Ah, why can't I actually get here? I have 0. Okay, I thought that actually that would give me some wood, but it does not. Never mind. I'm gonna take care of your place. Okay. Okay. Was it gonna reply to bug? Okay, I can see him. Damn it. Would have been better to aim better than that. I don't always aim perfectly well. See. Ah, that's very bad aim. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. So I do enable this, so this should work fine. But then when you do are like this, yeah, we'll have a little problem here. Because the issue is that you're gonna want to be able to trigger this button here. That's the main thing. So inverse gravity state. Okay, sounds good. Let's see. What's this doing? Good. This is here. Let's try this out like this. We're just gonna try this out with a button that's like placed like that, simply because I need it for testing, you know. Just for testing purposes, we will be doing that. Well, I'll be back in a second, guys. Yeah, hey guys, I'm back. So we were doing a couple of things here. Let's continue with that. Okay, my microphone just spat at me. Just fixing that. Okay, so we were looking into something quite specific here with that button, and now we wanted to test it out. So let's test it out right now and see how this goes. Good. It's loading right now. Let's be patient. Okay, so now it's loaded. We'll check if I have a checkpoint somewhere close to this. I do have one here. Okay, sounds good. Let's see how the state of the game is. Yeah, we have this. It's loaded, but you know it's flying. So we'll have to check why it's flying right now. So let's inverse that gravity. Cool. And now let's see what's happening here. So, as you can see, it's kind of falling down, but it's not working as expected. So, let's drop down here. So I'm going to show you a little thing here I discovered. Maybe you guys all know that for quite a while, but the idea is that the glider automatically deploys when you get closer to the ground. And there is a case in which it doesn't. It's when you do go into the wind. So basically here, if you do check compared to any other player right now that's dropping around my position, I'm already underground, and they will still be using their little gliders up there. Yep. All good, as you can see. So right now I didn't use it in an intelligent way because I wasn't planning on using it, so I just, you know, went away and fired up. But if you do use it intelligently and go into an interesting area where you know that there's actually a weapon there, then you're gonna get a weapon much faster than anybody else. So that is quite an interesting exploit to look into. Well, not really exploit, to be honest, it's more like a tip, because it's a tactic, but I mean, it's something they can't fix really, because they want this guy first before I continue saying stuff. You know, it's like pretty busy right now. Okay, here, I'm gonna get you. Good. He did not even hint me. That's quite interesting. That's the same shotgun dude, so no, let's drop this one, keep this one. Shadow bomb. I don't really use the shadow bomb that much. I mean, there must be a great usage of it, absolutely awesome one that I'm not aware of, but you know, it's really annoying because yeah, okay, you're invisible, but you can't pick up any items, which is completely ridiculously annoying, to be honest. So I just never use that stuff. Okay. Yeah. Little sniper. Let's gather a few materials then. Okay, good. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do this. And the yep. That sounds good. Let's reload a couple of weapons. Make sure we're all ready. Sounds awesome. Okay, so we do have a sniper, so we can have a quick look at what's going on around here. And what is going on around here? Do we have anybody? Do we have anybody? I don't think so, man. I can't see anyone. Maybe I should look harder, because there's a good chance there should be somebody around here. It's a bit weird. I can't be all alone in this game. Ah, interesting. Okay, that's pretty hard with all the delays I'm getting here. So let's see what we can do. Okay, it's pretty hard here as well. Basically gotta anticipate this shit. Anticipate the shit out of it, man. I don't think we're ever gonna get ourselves. Come on, dude. Yes! That's a nice one, man. Now, if I just went out of here, dude. So, where the hell are you? Come on, get out of here. gonna catch ya. I'm gonna catch ya. Do I have another guy? It's possible I'm gonna get another enemy. Okay, so. Oh yes, that's good. I like this. I like this very much. Okay. That was some nice sniping. I did waste quite a lot of bullets, but you know, sniping is very hard. And with all the delay we had here with that kind of extremely long range combat, it was to be expected to miss quite a few bullets. But it was a nice sniping game with the guy doing fire damage. I have only one bullet on the thing here. That's gonna be pretty useless, so let's get a couple of ammo here. Great, not. Okay, I did take advantage of that as I could, you know. I had one bullet, I used that bullet onto the guy, so that's quite interesting. Okay, so now, dude, what I'm gonna do right now is that I'm going to use that sniper on your face. Hopefully. Okay, so where the hell is this guy? Oh, damn. Okay, dude, come over here. Ah! That was quite a good match. We did fight together. Right? So what I didn't like here is that this thing is like stuck for some reason. So let's try and have a look at why this is stuck for some reason. Because this isn't normal. It shouldn't be stuck like this. You know, it's like let's unmaximize this. And say that, okay, we do want it to be, that's a very annoying problem that we have here with Unity. It's that it does not accept the cursor to be, it's so annoying, dude, it's so annoying. I hate it so much. I hate this system so much. It's just all buggy. I can't like change stuff during runtime easily. We don't know why there's this problem, but they never fixed it. So, enough raging around. What's going on here? Why would this thing be stuck? Simply because it's let's unfreeze all the rotations. You should be using gravity, so there's no reason why. Okay. There's no reason why it should be stuck like this, to be honest. I think that right now the collider is just way too big, so let's look into that. Let's make it a bit smaller. Let's see if this will help, but I'm pretty sure if I do this, and then I do this, and this, and this as well, then it's gonna fall, right? Okay, cool, so it did fall perfectly. That's awesome. So I think that's quite an interesting thing here that we're having, because look, if I do rotate this, change gravity, then it just works, and that's really pretty cool. So right now you can't get through here, but you're like, nah, I would like to. And if I do invert gravity, then this is going to fall, and it allows you to go here, and that is pretty cool, man, because that's something I wanted to test. Try and make work, and to be honest, it's pretty hard to have a gravity inversion system. It did take quite a lot of time. Now that it's working, I can add some specific features like this one that you've just seen, which is to react to physics and react to objects. So of course there's no lighting here, it will look better later on, but it's just my flashlight that's good enough to see stuff. Okay, let's see this again. And it does bounce a little bit. So maybe adjusting the physics, weight and angular drags and movement drags, it will look a bit more realistic. I'm going to look into that very soon. Okay, that's cool. I'm just gonna apply the changes about the size of the collider, because that is the thing that is actually breaking it right now and making it not work by default. And this will be good enough, I think. So let's have a look. We had two different problems here. We're gonna try and not freeze the rotations, keep it this way. So let's switch back to Fortnite quickly, and this is gonna be our last game. Then I'm just going to... Yeah, have a look. Normally your glider deploys automatically when you're pretty high up, but if you aim at the wind here, and you manage to get a wind, which I did not, then never mind. Then you can basically go in there and deploy much faster, and that is something that's definitely not considered as a normal way to get in, that's for sure. So let's take this out. Good. Good. Ouch! Oh, I didn't have any fall damage. That's interesting. I was pretty sure I would have some. Okay, let's get this weapon in number one. Let's get this. Let's get some materials. Okay, cool. Let's get this as well. I think that we don't need this shotgun as a double instances, because like it's useless. So let's okay. Counter turret, that's always useful. I don't use it that much, to be honest. It's not like something I'm great for, but can be pretty fun. Okay, let's think of this. Yup. Zog. Cool. Grenade. That is actually pretty useful. So we're gonna drink some coffee. Good, that coffee was nice, yeah. Okay, where were we at? Okay, let's do that. Whoa! That wasn't planned, dude. That wasn't planned at all. Let me take care of you. Oh yes, that was a nice one. I have to say that was a nice one. So I'm definitely going to be careful now. Huh. I can hear some kind of chest right now. Where are you, chest? Where are you, chest? It's not far from here, I can hear it. So... Ah, damn! I'm building. Whoa! Sniper! Okay, where the hell is he? Okay, just around here. He's gonna snipe my ass, dude. Okay, touched you. Come on, come back. I'm waiting for you, man. I'm waiting for you, dude. Okay. I am waiting for you. Come over here. God damn it. Whoa! Where the hell is he? Whoa, cool. Got him. Okay. Whoa! I didn't see him. Couldn't see him. Too bad. Okay, so I was saying, okay, so this part is done. So I just need to do a couple of edits here, and this way I'll be able to commit that, and it should be working correctly, which is pretty nice. Just need to adjust a little bit the colliders, because as you could see they were too big. So what we're gonna do here is either we do a bigger grid or smaller physics object, and I think I'm going to opt for the smaller physics object. So if you have a look here, I think I'm just going to do this. So make this smaller, and then make this smaller, and I think this should be fine. So if you do take the collider here, you just have to like reduce its size a little and reduce its size a little from here as well, and up. Make sure it's reduced on this side as well, because the friction must be making it remain stuck as well, so make sure there's no actual big friction here. And we should be fine. Use gravity, no constraints, sounds good, awesome, perfect. So I think that this can be considered done, and I just need to like do a lot of adjustments to make it better. But I hope this was interesting for you to see a little bit how physics objects is constructed and made to work in Unity and in video games in general. And for this, I will say goodbye and see you in the next video. Ciao.